Why does your scanner show the P0629 engine code? What does it mean? P0629 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel pump A, control circuit high. This engine code indicates that which means the PCM has detected a high-voltage issue in the fuel pump's control circuit. This problem is serious and should be addressed promptly to avoid more expensive repairs or vehicle performance issues. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty fuel pump, wiring and connector issues, fuel pump relay, high resistance, CAN bus issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture, since 1996. It is commonly found in Chevrolet, Ford, Jaguar, and other models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.